order to be healthy as a country, we need to continue addressing the cancer that affects our countryside, the land problem, so that peace can reign everywhere. Your father, the late and much appreciated President Diosdado Macapagal, started to eliminate this cancer by putting in place the Agricultural Reform Code. During your own administration, agrarian reform has made significant strides forward. DAR and DENR have now distributed 7.142 million hectares of their 9.001 million hectare scope. This is 79% of the scope. By the end of 2007, DAR and DENR had 1.858 million hectares distributed to benefit 1.44 million farmers and farm workers. Let it not be said that our government let down the poor among us. Let it not be said that what the father started, the daughter discontinued. Hence, we appeal to you to take one more step. The commitment expressed during the LEDAC meeting to support CARP extension with reforms was welcome, but now appears to be insufficient. Agrarian reform needs your formal certification of HB number 4077 as urgent, and your consistent prodding of your party mates and others until the bill passes both houses of Congress. Kaya nagpapasalamat tayo na na-certify na ng Presidente, yung hinihingi ni Archbishop ay napagbigyan, pero hindi sapat na ma-certify lang. Kailangan sanang gamitin niya rin ang kanyang kapangyarihan sa kanyang mga party mates na isulong ito at ipasa. At kung maaari na magdeklara ng special session para po maihabol itong extension with reform of the CARP. Kasi mahalaga ito at kailangan na kailangan natin sa susunod na linggo.